Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how animated PPT with moving car or any objects we can prepare. See, this is what the animation. Do you like to see how to prepare? Let's move ahead. I have shown one car. The current slide will learn how to make with effective presentation. Now you can see the car moving with 4 stages as week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. You can even choose quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. And every signal car will be stopped. So likewise, we can show the moving car and we can highlight every every week or every quarter with some positives, negatives, challenges, values, whatever we can show. So every stop we can show some highlights for that particular week or quarter. Even we can show the targets taken at the month beginning or whatever quarter beginning, year beginning, and what is the target we have achieved at the end. So likewise, we can show the animation through this, which will be very effective. We can make various PPTs like this. I have shown various examples, which we will see in next slides. Now, what is the takeaway from this slide? Why to use animated PPT? To make effective presentations and simplify your data for better understanding to the peoples. Now, who can use this? Office going people and students. Now, where to use this? It can be used in quarterly or yearly presentation, even weekly presentations also. Even showing the comparison, that also we can use it. Now, how to make animated PPT? It's a big question mark. Do you think? No. Will resolve in this presentation. Now, these are some examples I have shown the moving car, where the car is moving through various weeks. This is the now new image of the car I have taken. This will be third example, wherein car is moving. Every stop you will get the this is a quarter. Okay, so these are some templates which I have prepared, which we will use it today to make the presentation. And this you can download it from Google various by snipping the tools using the snipping tool application. I can show it in my any other presentation how to use the snipping tool also. Let's start how to make the PPT. Now moving car. Now first prepare the road. We'll make the road as an imaginary road. Okay, we'll give the fill. We can show this type of color to the road. Now I'll draw the line for the road as a divider. Okay, now it is not looking that much impressive, so we'll give some color. Now we'll make the line, it looks like a road divider, so we'll use more lines and I'll give width as a 3 points. I think this is better. So it looks like a road. Now we can select an object from Google, and by using snipping tool we can take any design of the car. Now I have chosen this car. Okay, then you can get the week or this week or this. These are the ready-made images to show the save the time for the our presentation. So I have made it here. Now we'll move this one by one to road. Okay, I have chosen this. Okay, week 2 we'll put it at equidistance. Week 3 and week 4. We can make it as quarter also by naming the difference. I'll put it here at the end. We'll move this week 3 so that equidistance can be seen. Okay. Then this, now it's ready. Okay. Okay. Now we'll give the some milestones. Like initially, what is the target we have taken, and we'll show what is the target we have achieved. You can change the figures as per your wish list. So there is nothing means we can do it. Okay. Now we'll make the car movie. Now how to make the car movie? I'll select this. I'll go to animation. I'll add animation. We will give the more motion path. Okay. Now here I'll select left. So car will move from here to here. Okay. Now the direction is set. I'll make the adjustment. Car will move up to week 1. So starting from this point to that point. Now car is already came to week 1. Now how it will move from week 1 to week 2. So we'll add some more animations by the same way. Okay. So this is the second animation. Now, okay, this second animation wherein car is here, will stretch, will select the car. This point, we have to put it here where the first point is ending. And we have to move this second. We have to move this point to second point. Okay. So now car is moving from point 1 to point 2. Now again, we have to show from point 3, week 2 to week 3. So the same way we have to use it. This is the second. Where we have to drag car from here to here. Now this point we have to keep it on here. Okay. So we have to match. Now I have to show from third to fourth. So this is again, we make it at fourth. So this point we have to drag down. Okay. Now this is the car moving path, which you can see here. So we have to keep this point aligned with this car. Okay. Now let's see animation. Is it perfect? So week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So our car started moving. Okay. Now how to make the highlights? Like we can insert the objects, various objects. You can go here in home. We can draw some objects. We can no fill. You can give the outline color. If you want red, red it. If you want to make bigger outlines, then you can change the outlines, and you can, if you want to add anything in this, you can select You can add challenges or highlights. Good. So highlights for the one. Then you can give the effect like animation, fly in. Okay. You have to give the effect to this also. Highlights. Now you want this to come after week one. So drag it to week one. Okay. So once that two number effect is coming, and this oval also will come to this. Now oval and text both has to come one by one. So start with previous. And we can see car moving this. We got the highlights. Okay. Then car moving on second. You can again put a highlights. Car 3 and car 4. How do you like? Just put it in my comment box and share the likes. Even you can subscribe my channel so that you can get the good views or good slides future also, so that you can uh, make effective presentation which will be liked by everybody in the office, and you will get a good growth in your career also. Thank you. Keep watching. Bye.